Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to undo or delete not interested feedback on YouTube. So once you're on YouTube, if you find any video that you, let's say, choose that you're not interested, to do that is to actually click the three dots on the lower right of any video and click not interested. And yeah, once you do that, let me show you how you can actually clear these history at any point in time. So once you're inside YouTube, guys, click your account on the upper right hand side, then simply go to Google account here at the top. Then you want to click on data and privacy on the left hand side. Now from here, scroll down, guys, and you want to go ahead and click on your my activity here. Now on the left hand side again, click on other activities, and you want to scroll down and look for the user feedback not interested, right? So as you can see, it says YouTube user feedback, previously not interested. Go ahead and click view your user feedback, and this is where you'll find those not interested videos or videos that you actually go ahead and choose, like don't recommend this channel. So you can go ahead and find them here and click on the X if you want to remove or delete them. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.